Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you are doing amazing in your life. Today's our topic is very informative and very interesting. You know why? It is all about planting trees. So the title of our lesson is Let's Plant Trees. So let's get started. We often go for a ride with our parents in our car. How many trees do you see around yourselves? Very few. Do you know why? Because we take them for granted. So, to avoid this thing, we need to plant trees more often because it makes our city more beautiful and more polluted free. Tell me one thing. Where do you want to live? In a desert city? In a polluted city? Or in a beautiful city? I think your answer will be beautiful city. So it is a very easy method to make your city beautiful by just planting trees around yourselves. The method of planting trees is very easy, just a few steps. So let's take a look. To plant a seed, there are 5 steps. Make a small pit in the pot, put a seed inside it, spread the soil on it, sprinkle some water, and water it regularly. So, do you know what are the benefits of planting the trees? I'm going to tell you. First of all, it provides oxygen to all the living organisms present on the earth. It provides food and shelter to the birds. It provides us flowers, wood, and food material. It also gives us cool winds. So, at the end we have learned that trees are very important and should be planted everywhere. So next time I will come to you with more informative topics. Goodbye.